Yes, welcome to Bikes of Rye. I'm currently stood outside of Dave Wood's Racing. My S1000R is inside. I've had Black Widow headers put on the bike. If you'd like to know how the bike performed on the rolling road in standard form, check out one of my other videos. I'll link it here on the screen for you now. But for now, stick around because you're going to find out how the bike performs with the Black Widow headers and a tune. Wow, that's a lot. That's some difference, isn't it?
I'm not expecting that.
No, I didn't think it was going to be that loud.
No. So the red one's the standard exhaust, and then the green and the orange are the one we've just done with the full system. So you can see it's gained massively through the mid-range, and then about the same at the top. And then torque curve, lost a little bit here, that's more fueling, and then gained massively through the middle of the top, which is probably where you'll be riding it, through this bit here.
So actually it's gained power in the mid-range,
Yeah, massively.
but at the peak it's lost
pretty much the same.
pretty much the same. But you say lost of brake horsepower, but you're not going to really notice that, are you?
No. You're probably up here a couple of times.
That there,
This
though,
is where you ride.
that's a lot.
Yeah,
That's a big difference, isn't it?
If I just done that and you let you take it out, you'd go, fuck, you've given me 10 horsepower.
Yeah.
You know, although you haven't gained it, if I'd have told you you've gained no horsepower,
Yeah.
you'd have been like, what? But actually, when you ride it, you feel like a different beast.
I can now present that and say to people,
Yeah.
you know, if you want a, if you just want to put the Black Widow headers on the bike,
Yeah.
so the fueling's okay,
Not bad, no. And the lambdas will control all the bottom end, so it'll be the same as a standard bike.
Okay.
The full power's not lean. It's a little bit lean, but it's safe. This is your fueling curve. So the red one here, it's a bit up and down, but was in the power range, which is about 13 AFR.
Okay.
Now we've taken the exhaust off. The only bit here, it goes a little bit weak, but it's still at 14, which is
still within range.
massively safe. Yeah. And this is where your part throttle runs at 14.7 here, 14.5. So that's where your part throttle runs.
Okay.
And that's perfectly safe.
Okay. We have a full system. Well, a Black Widow set of headers and a standard slip-on. I'm not going the right way here. So I'll figure out which way I'm going home. So yeah, kind of didn't go quite to plan today. We have discovered that you cannot currently tune this bike, or the 2022 model S1000R. Tried to plug in the Woolwich software and it just wasn't having it. And Dave Jr., the guy that was obviously looking after me today, very cool guy, very welcoming, felt very comfortable there. But yeah, he obviously to his surprise discovered that yeah, he spoke to Woolwich and they confirmed no, the latest ECUs now are locked. Oh my god. Proper snap, crackle and pop, mate. I need to address one thing. So because we've removed the exhaust valves and we haven't been able to get into the ECU, obviously the system is now flagging a fault. The bike is perfectly safe to ride, but it's obviously showing on the dash that there is an issue. I need to get myself a exhaust valve eliminator to install. Look into that. Don't think they're too expensive, but yeah, basically if I install that, it will trick the bike into thinking that the exhaust valves are still operational and it will remove the fault. So if you are considering getting the Black Widow headers and not bothering to have the bike tuned, that is something you need to consider. Oh, yes, please. So I'm just going to pull up to get some photos of the bike, and I have to say, look how good it looks. Honestly, look how clean and fresh. It's completely transformed the look of the bike in my opinion. Sound wise, so impressed with it. Yeah, I mean clearly I can tell it's picked up power. I know it shows that on the rolling road, but I can actually feel it too. If you want to keep up to speed with the progress, of course we need to return and have the bike eventually mapped. We'll find out what kind of gains we can finally get. But for now, yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know with a thumbs up, and I'll hope to see you on another one very soon. Thank you for watching. See you later.